program, you usually be required to join a Telegram channels, Telegram groups, because that is the dialogue platform that we are using, and you receive a mail with a link for you to join a Telegram channel. So once this is my Gmail account, and I just received this mail to join the International Women's Day Telegram channel. And so I'll click on the blue icon, join this Telegram channel. So once you click on it, it's going to take time to load, and then here is the channel that is open. You click on the join button, and once you click, you have joined, and that is me. So you'll see this indication you joined this channel. You can decide to unmute. It means you want to receive notifications for the channel, or you can just click on mute. You don't want to receive notifications. So that is it for how to join a channel on Telegram group.